Bathtub Safari by Sarah Jane Williams, Robert McEwen, and Tracy Lynn Shamani. Have you ever been in a bathtub? But bathtub safari? What can it be? How can you have an adventure in a bathtub? Let's find out. Bath time is Jack's favorite part of the day. I will be back in a few moments, says his mom. Make sure to clean behind your ears. And then there is a swoosh and a swish of a tail, and then Jack's bathtub safari begins. Oh, look at what's coming. There is a twist and a turn. Something's growing. It's a elephant. Now there is a rumble. It's going up, up, and splash. There's a splosh. Something bubbles. It's time to but something's lurking in the background. Oh no! Time to get up. I hope you're clean and ready for bed. Good night.